Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to block people on Instagram. So first you just have to open your Instagram application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now there are two ways on how to block someone on Instagram. First you have to go to your conversation or your Instagram messenger right here. And then if you have your previous conversation with that person or with the people that you want to block here on your Instagram, all you have to do is to click that and then tap the profile at the top left corner or above. For example, this one right here, you just have to click this person's profile. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click this three dots. And then you will see this block option right here. All you have to do is to block this. Okay. So as you can see, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them. Proceed with block. Another thing is that you can go to the search icon and then search this person's specific name right here. Go directly to their profile, and then it's the same thing. You just have to click at the three dots that you can see at the top right corner. You have to locate that. Okay, go to accounts, for example, this one. Just an example, you want to block this person right here, Shanti. Okay, tap this three dots here and then locate block and then block the person. It's easy as that. So basically, they won't be able to search you or know your recent activities. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and see you in our next video tutorials.